Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yep.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. I got a red key. And I got the sunroof too. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. $10,000. Oh my god. My dream car. Oh. Oh my god. I don't know what to say. It's beautiful.
Yeah. You want to drive it?
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yep.
Oh, this horsepower.
Just that little bit is enough to like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like plenty. 10K right there.
My name is Daidreon Saddler from Dallas, Texas. I just won this Hellcat plus 10 grand from Free Street Garage.
Now that you've seen it, now that you've driven it, what's it feel like?
Amazing. It's the best. It's the best thing. Got my car and 10K. It's amazing.
That car is now officially yours. You can do whatever you want with it. You got 10 grand cash. What are you gonna do with it? Are you keeping it?
Yes, I'm keeping it.
He's keeping it.
I'm show it off to everybody.
There you go. There you go. How is this Hellcat and cash going to change your life?
I got the car I want plus 10K. I can do anything I want with it.
On the way here, you said you were saving up for?
A Scat Pack.
And now saving for a Scat Pack, you got yourself a Hellcat Charger Redeye.
Yep.
When you get home to Dallas, where are you taking it first?
Downtown.
Downtown. Going for a cruise.
Yep. At first I thought it was a scam. And then when I heard his voice, cause I'll be watching his videos all the time about this car, so I watch it a lot of time. So I heard him, I listened, I'm like, is this for real? And I was just in shock. I didn't even know what to say.
What would you say to everyone that, wanted this car but didn't win?
You got more chances, more cars coming. So you got more chances to go.